There is one organ which causes high blood pressure, and it's not what you think. And there are specific exercises you can use to target and fix your blood pressure easily. No diet, lifestyle changes, or medication required. Check the link in the description below, but for now, today's question.
The question, why increased blood pressure makes us angry? Answer by Leanne Heisey. Your confusing cause and effect here. Being angry, stressed, having lots of emotions often raises our blood pressure, not the other way around. See the excellent Daniel Nowaj Majumder's answer to why increased blood pressure makes us angry? Answer by Daniel Nowaj Majumder. Your question has it backwards. We don't get angry when our blood pressure increases. Rather, a high blood pressure is often because we are angry. Our body has several ways to regulate our blood pressure within narrow physiological limits. One of those ingenious ways is the cortico-hypothalamic descending pathway. A slight overview of the brain to understand the pathway. Here we see the limbic system, the part of the brain that controls our primal instincts and emotions like anger, fear and pleasure. The red lines run from the cortex, through the limbic system and hypothalamus to the medulla, the main center of blood pressure control. Now the medulla of the brain is the center of blood pressure regulation through the two collection of cells called vasomotor center (VMC) and cardiac vagal center (CVC), which generally increase or decrease the BP respectively. Now when we get angry, the limbic system, which is seen from the first image, is the subcortical ring. Limbus means ring, around the hypothalamus, gets stimulated. This stimulation sends electrical messages down T-S pathway to the medulla and gets the VMC kicking in. This results in an increased force of contraction of the heart and an increased blood pressure. The same principle works for similar emotions like fear and pleasure. However, there are other emotions that affect this pathway in the opposite manner. For example, grief results in lowering of BP. As to why our emotions came to influence our blood pressure, from an evolutionary perspective, this is just a manifestation of our fight or flight instinct. Before we had civilization and security, the most common situations when our ancestors were angry or scared was when they were being chased by predators, a lion, say, and needed the full strength of their muscles and hence a rapidly contracting heart, pumping their muscles with blood to provide the extra edge to make their getaway or survive the fight. And their pleasurable moments required them to have stamina so as to be able to properly propagate the next generation of humans. Hence, this wonderful system of blood pressure control. Thanks for the A2A. Answer by Michael Soso. I am unaware of literature suggesting increased blood pressure as a cause for anger. The reverse can occur, however. Many extreme emotional states can raise BP.